Hey there, dirt bike enthusiasts. Today we're diving into a question many parents and young riders ask. What age is a 125cc dirt bike for? Stick around because we're about to rev up some answers. First off, let's talk engine size and age. Generally, a 125cc dirt bike is perfect for riders between 12 and 15 years old. But here's the kicker. It's not just about age. Height plays a huge role too. Ideally, you want to be between 5'5" and 5'11" to handle these bikes comfortably. Remember, a good fit means better control and safety. Now, what about skill level? Sure, 125cc bikes are great for teens, but they're also awesome for older beginners. It's all about how well you can handle the bike, not just your age. Many young riders start on smaller bikes, like 50cc or 85cc, before leveling up to 125cc. It's like leveling up in a video game. You gotta earn those skills. Let's talk bike features. You've got options like automatic, semi-automatic, and manual transmissions. For the newbies out there, automatic or semi-automatic might be your best bet. It makes learning a whole lot easier. And speaking of safety, always gear up. Helmet, gloves, protective clothing, the works. Safety first, folks. Parents, listen to this. When you're picking a bike for your kid, think about their maturity, size, and experience. It's super important to choose a bike that fits well. For the really young or inexperienced riders, you might want to consider bikes with training wheels or lower power options. It's all about building confidence. Now let's talk money. You've got two options, new or used bikes. New bikes are reliable but pricey. Used bikes are cheaper but might need more TLC. And here's something to keep in mind. As kids grow, they might need bigger bikes. So dirt biking could be an ongoing investment for your family. To wrap it up, a 125cc dirt bike isn't just for one specific age. It's about finding the right fit based on age, height, skill level, and experience. Whether you're a teen ready to hit the trails or an adult looking to start a new hobby, there's a 125cc bike out there for you. And before you go, if you're looking for great deals on kids' dirt bikes and accessories, check out RiiRoo.com. We have an awesome selection that can help you find the perfect ride for your young adventurer.